Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cikgu Darrel and today we shall continue on Unit 5 Food and Health. For your information, this is going to be the 6th lesson which will be on page 58 on your student's book. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to order food and drink in the cafe. As usual, before we proceed to our lesson today, let me communicate with you first the framework of our lesson. First, we shall read and discuss a food menu. And after that, we shall read the dialogue and calculate the price before watching a video to check for the correct answer. Last but not least, we shall go through the key phrases together before watching the video again and fill in the gap key phrases after that. Without further ado, let us move on to the first activity of our lesson today, which is to read and fill the food menu. Take a look at this food menu. As you can see at the top of this menu, there are 5 choices of answer for you to fill in the blanks. So today's menu, there are tasty lamb burgers. With a plain lamb burger, it costs you £4.50. What is the meaning of plain here? Plain means simple or basic. There is only a lamb patty together with the buns. No vegetables, no cheese, no sauces. It's just plain. However, with cheese, it will cost you £5. Apart from tasty lamb burger, there are also sandwiches. And there are 2 types of sandwiches here. First is the cheese and it costs you £2.50, whereby for sandwich that comes with chicken, it costs you £2.80. And if you want to put on something extra, there is also salad which costs you £1.50 and chips will cost you £1.20. Apart from lamb burger and sandwiches, there are also options for vegetarian. What is the meaning of vegetarian? Vegetarian means a person who doesn't eat meat. There are vegetarian lasagna and also vegetarian burger. Vegetarian lasagna costs you £4.45 and vegetarian burger costs you £4. And last but not least, there are only 3 types of drinks available. Mineral water costs you 90p and cola costs you £1.80. And last but not least, the answer here should be juice costs you £1.82. Now class, do you know how to read the price actually? If we compare it to Malaysia, we use ringgit Malaysia. But in UK, we use pound sterling. Those are the names for the country's currency. In Malaysia, you say RM450 as 4 ringgit and 50 cent. But in UK, £4.50 you say it in 4 pounds and 50 pence. For 1 ringgit and 20 cent in UK, you will say it as 1 pound and 20 pence. And for 90 cent in Malaysia, you will say it as 90 pence in UK. Bear in mind that even though the numbers are the same, but the values are not the same. There is just some extra information for you here. Do you know that in UK, 1 pound is approximately around 6 ringgit? Say if a plain burger costs you £4.50, do you know how much is that in ringgit Malaysia? It costs you 27 ringgit for just a plain burger, which means you will need to pay 27 ringgit for a plain burger in UK if you want to just eat this piece of burger. How expensive is that? How much does a plain burger cost in Malaysia? It's just roughly around 2 to 3 ringgit. 2 to 3 ringgit is less than 1 pound in UK. So can you imagine? Now let's move on to the second activity of our lesson today, where we are going to read a dialogue and you are going to calculate how much does Aaron have to pay. This is a photo where there are Aaron and also a waitress. Now, what do you see in the photo? Answer me these questions. Where is Aaron? Aaron is at a restaurant. Number 2, what is he doing? As you can see there, Aaron is holding a food menu and he's talking to the waitress. What do you think he's doing? He's ordering food. So this is the dialogue between waitress and Aaron. Now let's read together first the dialogue between the waitress and Aaron, and we shall check what food does Aaron order and how much does he need to pay. Hi there, can I help you? Yes. Can I have a cheese sandwich please? Sure. Would you like salad or chips with that? Chips please. Dessert? No thanks. Anything else? Oh yes, I'll have a cola please. Okay, that's how much. Now, let's count how much does Aaron have to pay. So Aaron ordered cheese sandwich, chips and cola. Cheese sandwich cost him around £2.50, whereby for the extra topping, which is the chips, he will need to pay another extra of £1.20, and that would be equal to £3.70. Then he orders another cola, which costs him around £1.80. So in total, he's going to pay £5.50. Is the answer correct? Let's try to check the answer from this video and see if he is going to pay £5.50.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, can I have a cheese sandwich, please?
Sure. Would you like salad or chips with that?
Chips, please.
Dessert?
No, thanks.
Anything else?
Yes. I'll have a cola, please.
Okay, that's £5.50, please.
£5.50? Here you are.
Thank you.
So, is the answer correct? £5.50. Even though in the video it's not mentioned about the pence, however, the correct answer to say the price is £5.50. But people in UK always said it fast, so they said it either £5.50 or £5.50. Just take note on that. Now let's move on to the final activity of our lesson today, which is to fill in the blanks on the gap key phrases. Let's go through first the gap key phrases here. Now these are the key phrases that we should have, whether you are a waiter, waitress, or you are a customer. These are the key phrases that you should know when you are in a restaurant, either ordering food or you taking order. So let's go through the key phrases one by one. Number 1. What's the answer? I help you. Number 2. Can I please? Number 3. Would you with that? Number 4. Else. Number 5. I'll. Please. Number 6. Please. So take note on these gap key phrases, and after this you are going to listen to the video again. While you are listening to the video, I want you to look at these key phrases as well on your student's book, page 58. Get ready and listen one more time.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, can I have a cheese sandwich, please?
Sure. Would you like salad or chips with that?
Chips, please.
Dessert?
No, thanks.
Anything else?
Yes. I'll have a cola, please.
Okay, that's £5.50, please.
£5.50? Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, so now let's get to fill in the blanks with correct answer. If you are still unsure with what you have listened, you can just feel free to rewind this video and replay the video. Let's get back to fill in the blanks for these key phrases. Number 1, what's the answer? Can I help you? Number 2, can I have a cheese sandwich, please? Now this is being said by Aaron. Number 3, would you with that? Would you like salad of chips with that? And number 4, else? Anything else? Asked by the waitress. And number 5, Aaron said, I'll have a cola, please. And last but not least, the waitress mentioned the price. That's £5.50, please. So Aaron paid £5.50 for it. Alright, so these are the key phrases that you should use when you are in the restaurant, be it you are the waiter or waitress or you are the customer. So these are the key phrases that we should use when we are ordering food or we are taking order from customer. So that's the end of our lesson today. This is the Google form exercise that I have prepared for you. Feel free to just scan at the QR code right in front of your screen, or you can click on the link that I have provided in the video description below. If you're a teacher and you would like to make a copy of this Google form exercise, feel free to just scan at the QR code right in front of your screen, or you can go and click at the link that I have provided in the video description as well. As usual, don't forget to visit my Facebook page Cikgu Darrel and give it a like if possible. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button so that you will always be notified whenever I update my playlist. With that, I'd like to thank you for watching and I shall see you at the next video. Bye!